Good morning, everyone. Today is such a beautiful day, isn't it? Today I decided to go to the beach with my friends. So here I'm using application on my phone. It's the map application to find the way to go to the beach. There we go. And this is my outfit for today. Okay, let's see what in my beach bag. This is my juice that I made from yesterday night, my sunglasses, my phone, my key, lip balm, you can't forget it, and my can moisturizer, my camera, and small one, little cute, my purse, and also grab the shoes, and you're ready to go. And here we are at the beach. There's so much that I have told you. And you guys can see how excited I am. I was so excited. It's been so long since last time I was at the beach. I'm so glad that I'm coming here again. We decided to go to supermarket and grab some food and go back to the beach again and eat there. Eating sushi at the beach is the best thing ever. I have a lot of fun with my friends, and thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.